Hello everybody, it's time to get the 1990 Bug Fighter Bug Zapper up and running for 2025. Start by giving it a little cleanup. Do some inspection on the inside. Not looking too bad. A little bit dirty in here, as one would expect. That all looks pretty good shape. Wiring looks okay. Don't see anything rubbing through. Bulb appears to be in pretty good shape. Got something I'm going to try on the black plastic this year, this Cerikote ceramic trim coat restoration kit. Couldn't hurt anything. Looks like it's making some slight improvements. I think I can live with that. And that looks better. Not perfect, but acceptable for what it is. We'll go ahead and let that dry and come back here in a little bit. It's had plenty of time to dry. Let's reassemble. And just like that, the Bug Zapper is serviced. Now to hang it back up, plug it in, power it up, see if it works. What I'm going to do now is put the mic up by the Bug Zapper and go turn it on. See if we get any kind of a startup sound. Looks like we're up and running. So once again, this is getting the 1990 Bug Fighter Bug Zapper up and running for 2025. Thank you for watching.